Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about trademarks. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Here's the issue. This is a trademark my company operates. You can see it's called Easy Genie. It's actually one of several trademarks I have for Easy Genie. It's a word mark on the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office Principal Registry. I registered it more than 5 years ago. And if you go to Pinterest and go to Pinterest Easy Genie, this page will pop up. This is not me. I don't know who created this particular account, but there's a couple issues with it. One is that it's in another language, and the second is that the last time it was updated is 2 years ago. I fear that this particular account is confusing for people that are searching for my brand, because my brand is well known. And when I tried to create an account with Easy Genie in it, either as Pinterest.com/EasyGenie or any combination of text that contains Easy Genie, Pinterest rejected me. So this is concerning to me because I do want to have a Pinterest account that represents my brand, and I can't even use my own trademark name in here. And I'm also worried that this existing one is causing confusion. I'm not sure if it's intentional or not, but regardless, this is a big issue for me. And I reached out to Pinterest to ask them what can I do just so I can create a Pinterest business account that accurately represents my brand. So they told me, I'll show you the email. Each account on Pinterest is associated with a single username. If your preferred username is currently used by another account, you can request the username using our form available here. So I clicked on this. Oh, and it also says, you need to provide some other information so we know how to process this particular request. So this is the trademark infringement notification form. This URL goes to pinterest.com/about/trademark. And basically only the owner of a trademark can submit a trademark infringement notice. All right, so I am the owner of a trademark. And basically what you have to do is you have to go through this particular form. I selected username transfer request. If your request is accepted, we will transfer your preferred username to your existing Pinterest account. Okay. The trademark, I filled that in, and then I included the registration numbers for the trademark. So what I did is on this particular page, there's a number here. It says registration number, 5 million and something. I actually have several of these forms, so I pasted those numbers into this particular field, and then I selected United States, which is where the trademark is registered. I am the trademark owner. You'd select this if you were, for instance, let's say a lawyer, or maybe somebody in your company's legal department or business operations department. They could check that off and fill in the information here regarding your name and the company name. And then this is where it says, please provide the URL, the username you would like to claim. So I pasted in the username. This is the username I want to request. And then I also pasted in my current business account on Pinterest, the username there. Now the current, as I said before, I can't even request any username with Easy Genie in it, so they assign me some random string of letters, which is really not optimal. It looks terrible. It doesn't look like it has anything to do with my brand. It looks kind of scammy. So I definitely want to have the username here, which represents my brand, and I hold a trademark for that. And then here I describe some additional information about my brand and the trademarks and how it's confusing for my customers. As this is an established brand for more than 5 years, and I do have thousands of customers, and I don't want them coming to Pinterest and being confused about whether I'm based, whether it's a foreign language account or maybe it hasn't even been operating for years. Then you have to check off these boxes attesting that this is a legitimate request and sign it and submit it. So I don't know what the result will be, but I'm hopeful that Pinterest will accept my request and the Easy Genie username will be transferred to my company, and then I can start representing my brand and my products and interacting with other people on Pinterest the way that I should be able to do that. My name is Ian Lamont. If this video helped, please take a minute to like it and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org and then click on blog or video, you can see more blog posts and videos about operating an online business. Thank you so much for watching.